Are you ready to go cloth but a little nervous about taking cloth diapers on the road? Moms have invented some great stuff to take the cloth diapers on the road and make it really easy. Hi, my name is Erin Shepard with Austin Baby, and I'm going to talk about how to cloth diaper on the road. There are a few things to have that will make cloth diapering on the road really easy. First of all, if you're using the all-in-one diapers, you're going to have less pieces involved, so the actual putting on and taking of the diaper is going to be a lot easier. You take off the diaper, have handy some wipes, and that way, if you have a really messy one, you can already have a wipe ready just to sit there and prevent any future messes. And also, if you have a waterproof changing pad, then you can change right there in the car and not worry about your car getting messy. So you'll take your dirty diaper and have what we call a wet bag. And a lot of people really like the zippered or the Velcro wet bags for the car because they are typically pretty smell-proof. And to help with that smell, before actually putting it into the bag, you'll give a couple sprays of an enzyme that is an odor remover. It'll actually eat the bacteria and really lower the smell that will be produced. So simply add to your wet bag and set your wet bag aside. Then you have a wipey solution with your cloth wipes if you're using cloth wipes. Spray right on the baby's skin. Clean up. Add to your wet bag. Zipper closed. And then if you have another all-in-one diaper, you'll see that they'll go on quite easily. And voila, baby's ready. If you've really soiled your changing pad, just add that into your wet bag. If not, back into the diaper bag. And you're ready to get back on the road. So you can see that cloth diapering on the road can be quite easy. I'm Erin Shepard with Austin Baby. Thanks for glowing cloth.